Hey ladies, and welcome back to Fiercely Feminine. With the holiday season upon us, it's time to spread joy and warmth to your loved ones with some thoughtful and elegant gifts. In today's video, I'll be sharing a curated list of classy and timeless gift ideas that go beyond the ordinary. These presents are sure to make your loved ones feel cherished and appreciated. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, find a cozy spot to relax, and let's get started. First on our list is the power of personalization. It's a simple yet elegant way to show that you've put thought into your selection. Some personalized gift ideas are customized leather goods, such as a monogrammed wallet with engraved initials, or if they're a reader and like taking notes, a personalized leather book satchel or a book sleeve with their initials engraved on it. Or you can give them a bespoke piece of artwork or a custom illustration that holds sentimental value. Another great gift idea is engraved jewelry, like a ring or bracelet with a short and special message engraved either on the inside or outside, a dainty bracelet with a personalized charm or birthstone, or a delicate necklace with initials. You can craft a custom gift box or hamper brimming with their favorite indulgences, a tailored gift of delights reflecting their unique tastes. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, consider gifting a touch of luxury. These indulgent treats bring a sense of opulence to the holiday season. Here are some examples. Artisanal chocolates from a renowned chocolatier, or a luxurious chocolate gift box with an assortment of different chocolates. A collection of rare or limited edition scented candles, or even luxury candles from brands like Jo Malone, Byredo, or Dior. For the coffee aficionado, a gift box featuring an array of distinguished coffee brands and coffee accessories will be the perfect gift. Tea enthusiasts, on the other hand, will greatly enjoy a selection of premium teas from around the world, which you can gift paired with either tea accessories or even a teacup set. A luxurious cashmere or silk scarf or a high-quality pair of elegant gloves is always a timeless and classy gift. You can pamper them with a luxurious at-home experience by gifting them a high-end skincare or beauty gift set. Designer coffee table books make for another great gift idea, whether they have a passion for fashion or simply adore aesthetic home decor. Elevate their space with books from designer brands such as Chanel, Dior, Prada, and more. Jewelry has a timeless appeal, and it's a gift that lasts a lifetime. These are gifts that are not only classy but also carry sentimental value. Here are some jewelry gift ideas. Classic pearl earrings for a touch of timeless elegance. When it comes to bracelets, consider gifting them a dainty and classy bracelet or bangle, a tennis bracelet, or, if your budget allows, a designer bracelet from their favorite brand. And then lastly, for this category, a classy watch with a sleek and sophisticated design suitable for any occasion. Sometimes the most precious gifts are experiences. Creating memories together adds a special touch to the holiday season. Here are a couple of ideas in this category. A weekend getaway to a charming bed and breakfast, tickets to a live performance or concert by one of the recipient's favorite artists. Immerse them in delightful monthly surprises with a subscription experience, whether it's a wine or gourmet food club or monthly subscription boxes for perfumes, books, or coffee, where they can enjoy a unique experience of their favorite things each month. You can also nourish their creativity with a cooking or art class for a creative and enriching experience. An outdoor adventure such as a hot air balloon ride or a scenic hiking trip. And then of course, a spa day or treatment voucher is an excellent gift idea, offering a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation while extending the gift of self-care. And then lastly, you can elevate the classic tea time by gifting them a high tea voucher, an experience with a touch of sophistication and elegance that they can enjoy and share with friends or a cherished plus one. And there you have it, a selection of classy and thoughtful gift ideas for the holiday season. Remember, it's not just about the gift itself, but the love and the care that you put into selecting something meaningful. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'm wishing you all a wonderful holiday season, and until next time, stay fiercely feminine.